Hello, I chose Roche for my 100K investment because of its successful oncology pipeline, including Herceptin, Rituxan, Avastin, and the recent approved TDM1. Roche's current stock price is about $223 per share, and its PE ratio is 19, which is better than 48 as the biotech industry standard. Now, to evaluate Roche's evaluation, I calculated Roche's DCF, which is about $165.50, very compatible against other biotech companies, assuming 9% growth rate in the next 10 years, 4% terminal growth rate, and a 12% discount rate. However, I want to ensure that I will be able to earn a good multiple on my 100K investment over a period of time. So I calculated their market to book ratio to understand how effectively my investment in Roche Genentech would be a good choice. Do they have high growth rate? Well, not in 1 and 5 year terms with the rates of -2.3 and -10.6 accordingly, but in 10 years we expect a 10% growth rate. Do they have high growth margin? 21%? So. As I found, it's very decent, but it could be better. Do they have low capital intensity? Sure, since they have a huge 192.2 billion market cap at the moment. The forecast of Roche's oncology drug sales is promising, and the sales continue growing. A positive ROI for their oncology products has shown a steady 3.35% based on the 8 years forecast provided by Trefis. As one can see from their social media, Roche Genentech has dedicated R&D in oncology with solid pipeline, high market growth rates, and legislation and policy reforms, which will reduce spending on healthcare. But I'm skeptical about some of the messages they provided to public. My worries are that Roche's oncology program will likely encounter some challenges due to rapidly growing emerging markets entering the tug war of biosimilars, lack of approval for biosimilars, loss of patent protection, global healthcare reforms, and expansion in emerging markets to drive growth as a result of my SWOT analysis on their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. On the bright side, I'm glad that Roche's TDM1, which was approved by the FDA on February 24th this year for breast cancer treatment, to extend 3 years for their patients. In addition, I learned that Roche has taken some actions in maintaining its competitive market share and secure its market leader position. Their actions have been taken include: number 1, looking for Herceptin's replacement. Wow, they did such a great job, TDM1, in the market now. Number 2, developing biobetters against other biosimilar in the future. Number 3, learning from other big biotech's mistakes. Number 4, building strong R&D infrastructure and robust biosimilar pipeline globally. Number 5, streamlining drug developing life cycle. Number 6, implementing lean manufacturing and operations. Overall, I feel comfortable to place my bet on Roche as for my long-term investment. Thanks.